Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your EA Sports account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your EA Sports account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And in the search bar, click over there and type in the address ea.com and hit on enter. And then you'll be directed to the Electronic Arts or EA's homepage over here. Now in order to sign into your EA account from over here, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see over here where my mouse is hovering, there is a person icon. Click on that person icon where it says profile, and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the sign in button over here. Click on that sign in button, and then you'll be directed to the login page of EA like this, where you can see guys, you can log into your EA account with your Google, Facebook, Apple, Steam, your Xbox and your PlayStation accounts. If you click on either of these buttons, login page to your respective platform will open, and if you log into your accounts on the platforms, you'll be logged into your EA account with these accounts. And with that being said guys, for a manual login, enter your phone number or your email address over here with which you have signed up for an EA Sport account. And after that, enter your password over here which you had registered on eSports at the time of creating your account. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always reset it from over here where it says forgot your password. If you click on that button, you will be taken to a procedure where you will be able to reset your EA account's password. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on the sign in button over here, and then you'll be logged into your EA account online on your computer. And with that being said guys, this is how to log into your EA account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.